We'll wait for our departure time at 11:15. So we're entering a lounge. We're looking for our vacant seats, and we'll have a short rest here. So this is Philippine Airlines lounge area. Ain, come here. I meet my granddaughter. She's super kulit. She's super kulit. We're looking for gate 7. And then we'll look for something to eat, because we left the house at 7 o'clock in the morning, and we travel almost 2 hours before we reach Philippine Airlines. Naiya at Nacho. So many yummy food. People are busy. We're looking for our gate 7. In gate 7. Gate 7.
Gate 7?
There. Gate 7. Hey, sorry ma'am. We'll look for a seat to place to sit, because my granddaughter is pulling my bag, making my things more heavier. I hope there's no rain when we reach our destination, because we're excited to go to the beach tomorrow. Gate 7. Just very happy and just excited. This is the second time I'll take a plane going to the province. Last December they go to Cebu also with mom and dad and the grandparents. But I want to take her to our province to see also, and to know province life where her mother grew up.